Ardha, baddha, Padmottanasana and Brahmacharya asana. These are advanced positions you should only attempt if you have a good lotus posture and if your legs are strong. Start in Tadasana, standing position, bend one leg and bring it to half lotus. Grab your toe and with an inhalation, raise your arms above the head and with an exhalation, bend forward from your hip. On the supporting leg, you can bend a little bit the knee if it feels more stable and touch the fingers, touch the ground with your fingers. Slowly bend forward with exhalation, and if you want to do a more advanced version, then you can touch your ankle and make it a balancing action. With an inhalation, slowly come up, and exhalation, release the posture. We can do from here Brahmacharya asana as well. In Brahmacharya asana, you can slowly lower down, lift your heels off the ground, and try to bring equal strength to the front and the back of the body, equal consciousness. This position requires a very strong ankle and feet power. And now let's see the modification. For modification, we will use 2 bricks, and on a first attempt, come with the leg to Vrikshasana or the tree pose, and with an exhalation, slowly bend forward and place your palms on the brick and bend forward from your hip. Try to keep the spine long and sternum forward. This is an easier version of preparation. And after, you can bring your leg to half lotus position and attempt again the pose with bricks.